I'm going to show you how you can install an intake snorkel on any 2.3 or 2.7 liter Ford Bronco. Now, Ford only offered a factory snorkel on their Everglades Edition. This is the IAG Off-Road snorkel, and I'm going to show you how you can install it on a 6th gen Bronco. But before we start, if you own a Bronco or you just love off-roading, be sure to subscribe. Now, this snorkel is designed to keep your intake above water level, so you don't damage your engine when you're crossing deep water. If you don't plan on crossing deep waters, that's okay, because this thing will still make you have the coolest Bronco in the parking lot. And if you have a 4-cylinder, it'll even make your Bronco sound better. One of the really cool things about the snorkel is it has interchangeable plates. So it is a block-off plate if it's dusty out and you don't want all that dust going in your intake. And then you can flip the vent plate to the front to get the clean air set up. But there is one thing to remember: if you do have a soft top, it will make a little more noise while you drive. Now, here's how to modify a Bronco with your IAG snorkel. First thing we're gonna do is take our template and line it up on the side of the fender. Once you got this lined up on the side of your Bronco, you're going to take a Dremel and cut this large hole. Then you're going to take a drill with a step bit for the other two.
This is it. Don't get scared now.
Done cutting the hole, you're going to take out the factory intake duct, replace it with the new intake duct and the strip caulk. Install the harness relocation bracket and relocate the harness. So next we're going to uninstall the washer fluid filler neck and we're going to install the extension. Once you have this uninstalled, then you can install your filler neck extension bracket. And once you have your bracket installed, you can then reinstall the filler neck with the extension. Next, we're going to relocate the ground wire so we can install the intake extension. Next, we're going to install a bracket to the intake extension. Now, after we get the intake extension in place, we're going to go ahead and install the clamshell brackets. You're going to go ahead and install the accessory mount bracket. Next, you're going to remove the red adhesive backing, and then you're also going to partially remove the white. Now it's time to put the snorkel in place and install the mounting hardware. Step, we're going to remove the rest of the adhesive backing. So I hope this video helped you install your IAG snorkel on your Bronco. Be sure to leave any questions, feedbacks, or suggestions in the comments below.